In today's video, we're going to talk about Currys Buy Now Pay Later offer and how it actually works. Currys partners with Creation Finance to let you buy now and pay later. Instead of paying for full price upfront, you get a credit account and pay over time. You can choose a short-term promo or BNPL for 6, 9 months, or even 12 months. And if you pay the full balance in that time, you owe the zero interest. But if you don't, regular interest applies. Next, if you need more time, you can also spread payments over 12 to 36 months, but you must also expect interest charges as per your credit agreement. This is actually great if you need time to pay and can settle before promo ends. This is not great if you'll carry a balance because interest rates can be high and debt can pile up fast. And for you to be able to use it at the checkout page, just choose FlexPay or BNPL or Buy Now Pay Later option. And if approved by your product, then you can manage payments or repayments via the Creation Finance account. There you can pay early, partly, or on schedule. No early payment fees. Lastly, make sure that you treat BNPL or the Buy Now Pay Later offer like a short loan. Budget carefully, track payments, and avoid rolling over debt. To that end, the buy now, pay later can be actually useful. But if you mismanage it, it becomes a trap. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!